Dear partners, welcome you to ARISTO stall. So this is the new concept of the B2B ARISTO distributor. So this is how we understand the showroom of our B2B partner should look like. So if you notice that part, brand wall been not available before. So right now we have put a brand wall, and it's almost the same like in the ARISTO interior solutions. So apart from that, here we see different systems from ARISTO. So this is our facade system with the solid hinges. So this is our synchronized system. So this is our telescopic system. So here we come our standard system. So the pivot mechanism which we used before, and the new pivot mechanism which we are using right now. So this is how it is supposed to be installed. So more smoother, more wider opening. So here our PVC wrap profiles in H profile and fusion profile. Here this bifold doors with new mechanism, more reliable as it was before. So it's already known by you high profile. So here we have Nova with the integrated handle. So as you see, there is no visible track, so it's with a hidden track. So this is our Slimline system. Two types. One standard Slimline, and the another one decor Slimline. So with Swarovski crystals. Coming to the next point, so I want to introduce you ARISTO synchronized telescopic system. So before it was possible to put only two synchronized doors with the sequential opening, but right now it is possible to put as much as required. So the system can be synchronized, or you can just use the telescopic part of it with unlimited number of doors and everything lockable. Here I would like to introduce again our Nova system, the black color with invisible top track, Slimline with a transparent glass. What is slim profile? High profile. C profile wrapped in the PVC film. This is our flat profile, also in PVC. So again, flat profile. C in PVC, flat and black. So C in bronze. Flat PVC. Fusion white oak PVC. And this is H, also in white oak PVC. So coming to the next point, I would like to show you the pole system. The pole system is the already known product, but you can see the way of the current designing. It's very much reliable system, and if you would like to make your walk-in closet looking more spacious, so this is the proper answer to that. Apart from that, there is the new color collection called Kingdom of Stones. So this is aquamarine. This agate, the green agate. So this is brown topaz. Moonstone. And black onyx. Next thing is the pivot hinge doors with the ear hinges, which are able to bear the weight of 32 kgs. So right now you can make the openable wardrobe up to 2.7 meters. Full glass wardrobe. So it's also featured with the lit-up shelves and square hanger bar. This is already known synchronized door with the lock. So here we see our pivot doors with the new pivot mechanism. So right now with this new pivot mechanism, it is possible to make the grand opening of the door. And what I want to admit, so this is the special profile flat where the pivot mechanism is almost invisible. Inside we have the wardrobe system, ARISTO storage system in white. So the unique system for the storage of the inside of wardrobe or for the walk-in closets. So this is the new size which we have created. So this is 45 centimeters length, which is very much useful for the standard niches. The pull-outs are on rollers. Here we can closer see the Slimline decor. So Slimline decor, again, this is the Slimline system with integrated Swarovski crystals. Inside we have the ARISTO storage system in gray. So this is the pull-out trouser rack with a soft close. Again, pull-out baskets with a soft close. All this done in the new size of 45 centimeters. So here, the bottom track, if you notice, so we have the silicon gasket. So the silicon gasket prevents the dust to come inside of the track. So with this prevention, you won't have any noise or scratching of the wheels. So in this corner we have our storage system with the wooden elements. So the wooden elements can be done in two colors, black and white. So again, all the pull-outs are with a soft close. Here we come to the corner where we have O profile. So I think, I profile already been quite widely introduced, and right now there is O profile which has more, let's say, visible handle, so that the catching is more bigger. It's made with the inside storage system installed in gray on rollers, so without soft close. So here I would like to pay your attention. So we have side elements of the wardrobe system which you can put in the carcass of the wardrobe. And again, so as that was shown in the beginning, so these sample shelves can be placed in any of the distributor showroom. So what was shown in the beginning, those were, let's say, integrated into the wall, and these ones can be easily taken out, replaced, or stored, I mean, in the way the distributor wants, in any time. So thanks a lot for your attention, and thanks for visiting our so said virtual walk.